Okay, so now they're going to give us a graph, and we have to write the formula for the graph. Now, this is a toolkit function. They tell you that in the book, but I was like, no, I'm going to see if they know which toolkit function it is. But it's the square root function. So if you go and you find your toolkit function, you know, it was for square root 0, 0, 1, 1, and then what is it, 4, 2, something like that. And then you compare and you say, okay, well, how did it shift? It looks like the shape is about the same. Now, you might say, well, how do you know that? Look at here, right here where that's the input of 4 and the output is 2. It's only 2 units up from where I started. So, and that's the same thing that's happening up here for that blue one. Now, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to write a formula for that graph. Okay, if my f of x, so this would be my f of x, is equal to the square root of x, then how am I shifting it to get the blue line? So what am I doing? Oops, I wanted to change the color on that. What am I doing to get the blue line there? Well, it looks like I started out at 0, 0, but now I'm starting out at 1, 2. So it looks like I shifted right 1 and up 2. Right 1, up 2. Okay, that looks like that's what all the points are doing. You could check another point to see, you know, from this point here, am I going right 1 and up 2? Yep, I am. Okay, so now I have to record that in my new function here. So this is called h of x. How do I know that? It's got the labeling right there. So h of x is going to equal, now it's a shift to the right of 1. How did we do that? What's the function we're applying? We're applying the square root function. So that right shift has to occur inside there. So it's going to be the square root of x. Now, is it going to be plus 1 or minus 1? It's shifting to the right, so it should be minus 1. Okay? Then the whole thing is shifting up 2. So this is a vertical shift. It's outside of the function. So it's going to be plus 2 outside here. So be careful when you write this. You want to make sure that your square root symbol is only over the x minus 1. Okay, and that's how we would usually write it. All right.